When it comes to deep cleaning at home, there's a big difference between using a traditional sponge and using a tool designed to save you time and effort. Electric spin brushes are one of those modern solutions that, once you try them, you won't want to go back. These devices eliminate the need for manual scrubbing, help you reach tricky corners, and let you tackle all kinds of surfaces with the speed and power you'd normally only find in professional equipment. Today, I bring you the 7 best compact and complete models available in Europe, so you can choose the one that fits your routine. All the links are in the description so you can check out more details. Let's get to it. We start with the LightSwim 7-in-1, a model that offers a great entry point into the world of electric cleaning without requiring a big investment. This brush spins at 420 revolutions per minute, has 2 speeds, and comes with 7 different heads, making it perfect for bathrooms, tiles, kitchens, and even the car. The extendable handle makes it easy to reach high or deep areas like ceilings or bathtubs without bending down. Although its construction is more suited for occasional use, its initial performance is powerful and effective. It's the ideal tool for those who want to keep their home clean without dealing with heavy or complex equipment. What stands out here is its practicality. It does what it promises and does it straightforwardly. Now let's talk about the Liebane, which takes the concept of a complete kit a step further. This brush comes with 8 heads, all designed to tackle different surfaces, from delicate glass to grimy tiles. Its telescopic handle adjusts between 37 and 139 centimeters, allowing for effortless cleaning of high areas or floors without bending. Additionally, its 2 speeds offer a good range to choose between precision or power, depending on the task. This model stands out for its ergonomics and adaptability, perfect for those who want a tool that works in every corner of the home without exception. Compared to the LightSwim, the Liebane wins in structural stability and design, especially for longer cleaning sessions. In third place, we have the Bosch Universal Brush, a true gem for detailed cleaning tasks. This compact and extremely lightweight model, weighing just 330 grams, works at 215 revolutions per minute but makes up for it with excellent power transmission thanks to its efficient motor and professional-grade bristles. With a 3.6-volt lithium battery, IPX5 water resistance, and 4 interchangeable accessories, it's ideal for bathrooms, faucets, appliances, and any space where precision without effort is needed. What stands out most here is its durability. It's a device that can be used daily and still works like new. Compared to the Liebane, the Bosch is less versatile in terms of surfaces, but much more refined for technical cleaning and professional finishes. Next is the Vicari 8-in-1, one of the most well-balanced models on the market in terms of power, battery life, and reach. This brush operates at 2 speeds, 300 and 500 revolutions per minute, and has a 3000 mAh battery that offers up to 90 minutes of continuous use. Its extendable handle reaches up to 152 centimeters, making it ideal for cleaning ceilings, floors, or outdoor areas without the need for ladders. It comes with 8 heads designed to handle different levels of dirt, and its USB Type-C charging makes it very convenient to keep ready without hassle. This model is perfect for those who clean frequently and don't want to waste time. It lets you cover large areas quickly with very little physical effort. Compared to the Bosch, the Vicari offers more overall power and better coverage, ideal for general and deep cleaning throughout the home. Now let's move on to the Gisol 13-in-1, the most complete kit on this list. This model is designed for those who don't want to leave any corner uncleaned. With 13 different heads, 2 speeds, and a battery that lasts up to 1.5 hours. It's the perfect ally for comprehensive cleanings from windows to car rims. The variety of accessories allows the tool to adapt to each surface, and its ergonomic design facilitates long sessions without causing fatigue. This model really shines in large homes or homes with many different cleaning zones. Compared to the Vicari, the Gisol wins in the number of available tools, although its power is slightly more moderate. If you're the type who wants everything in one device without worrying about buying extra parts, this is the perfect option. Now we enter compact territory with the Synoshi, a model ideal for those who prioritize agility and convenience above all else. With a lightweight design, 45-minute battery, and fast USB Type-C charging, this brush is perfect for quick daily cleanings in bathrooms, kitchens, or hard-to-reach areas. It has 2 speeds, fits well in small hands, and offers surprising performance for its size. What stands out most is its portability. You can store it in a drawer and pull it out in seconds when you need a quick clean. Imagine you have surprise guests and need to make the sink or shower tiles sparkle. The Synoshi lets you do it without getting dirty or breaking a sweat. Compared to the Bosch, this model offers higher speed and more convenience for casual use, though without the surgical precision of the German model. Lastly, we have the Attentus, a model that combines power, reach, and versatility in a solid and reliable design. It offers 3 speeds ranging from 300 to 400 revolutions per minute, allowing you to adjust the brush based on the surface or level of dirt. Its extendable handle reaches up to 140 centimeters, and the set includes 8 heads to cover virtually any household need. Weighing approximately 1 kilo and 200 grams, it feels robust in hand without being uncomfortable. This model is ideal for those who need a strong brush with power control and good coverage. Think spring cleanings, terraces, shower ceilings, or outdoor surfaces where you need more than speed. You need control. Compared to the Gisol, the Attentus offers better power regulation and a sturdier body, making it ideal for more demanding tasks. So if you're thinking about which one to choose, here's a quick summary. For those looking for maximum reach and good battery life, the Vicari is the most balanced. If you prefer something compact, lightweight, and always ready, the Synoshi is your best ally. For those who value build quality and precision, the Bosch Universal Brush is number 1. If what you want is a super complete kit with heads for every imaginable surface, the Gisol gives you everything. And if you want adjustable power and a strong build for tough cleaning, the Attentus is the most solid option. The Light Swim and the Leibine round out this selection as practical and affordable solutions for hassle-free daily use. If you clean small areas every day, prioritize lightweight models with fast charging. If you have a multi-story home, choose brushes with long handles and good batteries so you don't have to stop mid-task. For families with kids, a versatile model like the Gisol that adapts from the bathroom to toys is useful. If you want to clean high areas like showers or blinds effortlessly, an extendable handle like the one on the Vicari makes a big difference. If you have limited mobility or find it hard to hold tools for long, the Bosch is the most comfortable without sacrificing performance. For quick weekday tasks like getting the counter spotless after cooking, the Synoshi works perfectly. If you're going to use it outdoors like on terraces or stairs, prioritize water resistance and a sturdy build like the Attentus offers. And if you simply want a functional tool without complications or a learning curve, the Light Swim is a very practical choice from the first use. And remember that all product links are in the description, and if you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.